Mark.
So she's playing Dinosaur, you're playing Huntress, Revan's probably playing something like the Captain or something. And I'll play Loader.
So,
I am underqualified, but I am here.
I don't think any of us are really qualified.
I just gotta unlock the final DLC character at some point still.
Whoa. Oh. Am I? Oh, yeah, that's right. I wake up. That was really adorable. He curls up in a ball.
Yes. Is R1 you have to aim at the ground. The ground it'll bounce off and heat seek on enemies.
Alright.
His L2 is just nice but powerful. One thing of note though is he cannot kill people with his poison.
So tempted for that. I'm helping. I don't know. Fish.
You're the expert, so. We all know that skill knows the most.
Yes, if the person with brain damage knows the most, we have an issue.
No.
Man, I wish that was a joke.
Oh, we're playing with this. Okay.
And yeah.
Oh, that was weird.
Oh, it was weird.
Things are floating and like lagging around and great. It's a wonderful time.
Are you playing the streamed version?
No, I actually downloaded it.
Oh, I have no idea.
Yeah, I don't know. It's creepy.
I'm not downloading anything or uploading anything. I already uploaded everything recorded yesterday. My internet should be working at probably peak efficiency.
What makes you say that?
I don't know, some dumbass could run to a pole or something. There's still snow and ice out there, so.
There are stupid. There are a lot of stupid people.
Yes.
Why are you talking about my people like that?
Because it's usually white people problems.
Wait, what's happening? I wasn't ready.
You are now.
How do I fight that?
Spit at it.
Come down here and fight me.
Spit out with R1 and L2. I'm also melee only, so.
I just hope it doesn't enjoy this.
I actually am just straight up melee only. I don't even have range like you do.
At least I can hawk toxic loogies.
Oh, yeah, I jumped up on top of him.
Why? How?
Oh, that's actually really cool.
He can't hit me up here.
You can do that though.
We just stand on someone's heads as to show
and
dominance.
there comes the dog.
Ah, God, ow.
How you die?
I exploded.
I'm alive, I'm just in pain.
I recommend taking a feather for him.
Oh wait, I need to grab an item. Shit.
I grabbed skills item.
Oh, because he died.
He's too dead to use it.
What's the
Go
color
for it.
again?
Extra jump.
Alright, could have gotten some bullet. I was thinking ukulele. Just 'cause.
The dinosaur is now my favorite character to play as, so.
Flight?
I even accidentally unlocked his flight debuff instead of quick.
Are there any more chests?
Probably.
I want to see if I can find one or two before leaving. I barely got much. Other than healing drones, I did get plenty of those. This box.
Oh wow, there are quite a few boxes over there.
Shh, don't tell her.
Wait! Blue!
Boop.
My dino legs only let me go so far.
Hear me. We both have one, so there's equipment.
I'm away.
I won't away.
Anyone else not have equipment?
Skill, but he's dead.
Very dead.
I got my Salma rings.
I got my fucking black hole.
I got a rock.
I'm
No, you
not
don't
fucking-
even have that.
Exactly. I don't even have a rack.
Is everyone good so Sko can get back involved? If you want to call us bleed, the Salma rings are cool.
I'm gonna go.
Do you like my glasses? They make you look pretty.
They look a little
Alright.
dumb.
Is that what your mom said when you were born?
Ow.
No, she just said that's not mine.
Even though she saw it come out of her.
These are mine. I found them.
There's so many droney boys.
She doesn't have any chill when it comes to getting those.
They're cute. The fuck are you? My healing drone was healing my other healing drone.
Oh, that's convenient.
Ow.
Damn it, I just want enough money to open my 3 chests.
Off.
Do we all share money, or do we have separate money?
Separate.
Okay, so if I buy something, it doesn't affect anyone else.
I mean,
Nope.
it makes it where someone else can't buy that,
Ow.
but that's it.
Cool. it's been a minute since I played this, and the last time I played this, I'm pretty sure was with Kiva, and I'm pretty sure that was more than a year ago. AP shot.
So does this mean you don't have the DLC?
No, I do not have the DLC.
But it does cool things like purple death zones. Hey, let's go. Here's an equipment barrel if you want to get yourself some equipment. Thank you, healing drone, for healing me. I just got my own healing drone. It has hookers and crack.
Huh.
No blackjack though.
Hookers and blow sounds better, but yeah.
I know, I deliberately fucked that saying up.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
Whoa. I got lost.
Oh, I do that all the time.
Oh, thank God, I'm not the only one.
She got lost like a block from her house, so.
That wasn't my fault. I was never allowed to leave the house.
So what you're saying is you were Harry Potter.
I was more loved than Harry Potter. I at least had a bigger room than Harry Potter.
But you had no magic, so.
Yeah. But again, did not have a shitty uncle or anything.
No.
Just
we
think, you could have made that comparison earlier in life, and then became a prostitute and said that you could talk to snakes.
I'm sorry. What?
Don't question it.
I did not want to. I did not agree to this. This is not the item I wanted.
I keep finding gold shit, like in like equipment stuff, and it's like I don't want to change it. Okay.
Damn it, you fuckers! Kill things quicker. I need money.
I need money as well, but I can't find anything to unleash my anger on.
Cool. Green. Feather. Ah, I forgot there's fall damage in this game.
If you jump or use your warp right before hitting the ground, you won't take the damage.
Yeah.
Yeah, I forgot there was fall damage in this game at all.
There's a thing that you can use that makes it do 200% more damage.
Why would you do that willingly?
Challenge runs. There's also one that makes you deal 500% more damage while only have 10% of your HP.
Okay, that one I can get behind.
There's a set number of those you can have before it actually kills you. Like 138. It'll just create a skill if you use one attack.
Oh,
It's not that you just create a skill, you're picking up the item once you get past that amount.
Hello, little cat.
The game considers you too powerful.
Too much power.
Need a little bit more money. Yes.
Are people ready to kill something?
Huh?
The boss.
Yes. Question
Oh.
mark. Ow.
On my way.
So many drugs.
Someone had to do the Shrine on the Mountain. Blazing Wanderer in there.
Why are we fighting this boss again, but on fire?
Why
It would have
not?
been just the boss, but someone used the Shrine on the Mountain so it became stronger.
Yeah. More stuff.
I'm still on top.
I am dead again because it only focused me.
I guess I have shurikens, so I can at least still swing and
Get up on top of this hill here and you can jump on top of them like I am.
Ow! Ah! 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 God, still.
You can cut and die.
Uh-huh. So being dead is pretty great.
Yeah.
Oh, it has horns.
Yeah, it's a blazing bird.
Oh, I'm sorry that I didn't know blazing means horns.
I mean, multiple blazing enemies drop like his regular ones, like the blazing, like his head things.
Yeah, I never paid attention to horns.
Almost.
Okay. So far, not so great. What the fuck?
Revenue's just floating.
How long does that last?
Until he hits the ground.
Oh.
It's a slow descent. If you can pay attention, he's losing altitude just very slowly.
Never mind.
Oh hey, Beetle Queen.
But why?
Oh, Revan, if you kill it, you get all 4 items. Actually, wait, no. Shrine Mountain, all 8.
Are you? What the hell? What the absolute fuck?
Revan is in danger.
My character has no self-sustain at all.
No.
We put all our hope into you.
That was your mistake. Don't
Fair
blame him
enough.
for your bad decisions.
Alright, we should have put it all in school.
Yeah.
Why? I die first most of the time.
Don't blame him for your bad decisions.
Ah. Oh. Ew.
What happened?
Soda. I opened a room temp can, and using the straw, it kind of bubbled up.
I know, this will be fun.
Oh, the
What?
alternative item that changed up my skill, the lunar item, did shit tons of damage. It was really inconsistent when it came to range, and executing the part was down.
Woo, random!
I like random.
Random what?
Random everything.
I chose the
Oh,
spawn us as
fuck's
random
sake.
characters. I got
You got
the
random
officer.
characters. And me
I
and
don't feel
Revan.
as responsible for my decisions. I was used to double jump. And also used to the other
Yep.
things.
Not a big fan of hunters.
My tail is really small.
Hey, worry about ale.
Wait, this isn't random.
No, it's just random characters.
Wait.
Why?
Wait. Oh. I still came in with what I picked.
That just means it randomed it.
Right. He's fucking controller.
Did your controller die?
That's no reason. Just make more fucking turn the controller.
Why did you throw your controller against the wall? I have so many questions and no answers.
Who needs answers?
Dog
The
needs
answer is
answers.
Obama.
Oh, that's not helpful.
Pretty mediocre stat answer.
Anti-helpful.
Fine, the answer is Obama's dog.
Yeah, wait, yeah, dog?
Slightly better.
Trump is literally, as far as I know, the only American president not to have, the second American president not to have a pet. Not presidential pet. I can't remember the other dude's name, but that's mice in the White House. So, he barely count. Oh my god. Fucking fire enemies.
I don't need another equipment.
Excuse me.
There's one down near me, but no one needs.
I don't have one now.
I'll mark it.
There is the
You already have an equipment skill.
right.
I don't know why you grabbed the battery, but you did.
I don't have the thing.
What, you're trying to get Rex?
Yeah.
I hate to tell you, Rex fucking sucks.
Doesn't care.
Also, you can't have that battery if you grab equipment. So,
So I guess I'm not grabbing equipment.
Ooh.
you know the downfall of it, right?
Yeah, if I get low on health, I explode.
Less than half. Just stay the fuck away from me, it's an AoE. I did that cancer. I did that cancer solo. The best way to do it was to use the command artifact. You can pick your item.
Ow.
And then just stack up on fucking defense shit.
Hello, fellow hunters.
Hello, Queen.
You chase the mediocrity here.
Ow.
Just give you some fucking noise.
Has anyone found the teleporter?
Oh shit.
No.
No, I'm dead.
What are you doing? It's
Ah,
so dangerous.
why?
Oh, you got below
I
half
fell
health.
with
And you were near
respawn.
her.
I just used that fucking shrine to get some money for something, and he kills me.
I'm sorry, I
Thanks.
fucked at you.
Yeah, thanks for exploding all over the place.
Trying to over this way.
Sorry, I couldn't contain myself.
You're just so excited to play the game.
It's like a typical
Really?
prom night.
Prom night.
I thought you didn't go to prom.
baby.
I didn't go either.
My baby.
I didn't.
Your
because
birthday, baby.
that time.
So, Skill, I have a random question for you. What's the man's favorite word that begins in M and ends in arage?
Miscarriage?
Yes.
Number.
That joke never gets old, just like the kid.
And you're really pushing to piss people off.
Do I care?
No. Keep being you.
If anything, it's good. I don't want to. I don't want YouTube to become a job because then I won't want to do it no more.
So you're managing the expectations?
Yes. I still don't know how the fuck my channel got to 100 subs, considering the fact I literally my description says do not sub to me.
That might
People
be
probably
why.
take it as a challenge.
What to do, asshole?
We'll see.
Fine
Maybe
then.
we're like,
The ultimate paradox. Do what my command to you is do what you want to do. Now, if you do whatever you want to do, you are now obeying me and therefore following orders.
Fuck you.
You get to, I get to.
You. That's what I figured. You grab two and then I'll grab afterwards.
This is just like last game. We're both dead.
Do you want the boss item? I don't care about them.
There's two of them, so I'll grab one boss, one green. You can grab one boss, one green. I should just grab the Titan's item since it increases defense.
I go with the probes. Extra
I like
damage.
love the fact that the shurikens literally like you wear them like a bracelet.
you can have shurikens and potentially lightning.
You can like that gun from Painkiller.
Don't immediately use the portal.
Immediately use the portal. Got it.
No.
If it was on fire and had tits.
Alright, you want to use it, use it.
You got what you needed.
As far as I can tell, I don't think there's any other chests. We should stop marking shit that you've already fucking picked out.
Yeah, I don't know why it does that.
I'm assuming it's meant to be a balance. Sure, if you're playing multiplayer, you can't use ganked every chest. This is not going to show you the ones that haven't already been picked.
Ooh, I'm the captain now.
Wait, what?
I'm still the
It
hunter.
switches per thing?
Yeah. It's completely random when you when you transport.
I didn't think. I thought it was.
So what you're
free,
saying
like,
is the best strategy is pick the most generalized, good, fucking
Yep.
upgrades, don't go specialized.
I'm the same character again.
It's gonna
so
suck when I
I
end up getting a fucking precision character.
Are you the same character in a way that's a good thing?
Yeah, I'm still the huntress, which I like.
Who has the big ass eye?
That's right.
Yeah, who's
That's
walking around
mine.
with a servitor?
One of the boss items.
Oh.
Really?
Pretty decent boss item, all things considered. Fuck you, I'm bad shot. Stop it. Get satellite laser, bitch. I actually drop potted. Technically, I'm just calling a supply pod on their fucking heads. It's just primary hit power.
The music in this area is so weird to me.
Why? Because it's calm.
Yes.
We're going to build up to a really bad fucking storm. It's not quite gone to complete shit yet, but it's about to. At least that's my fucking take on it. There you go. Everyone can see where the fucks and chests are.
Anyone got the rusted key? Because there's a rusted chest right here.
No.
I do.
Well, there you go. It's right next to where I am.
The
I
difficulty
never
is
intend to fucking pick
plastic
it. I
up
actually
on.
think shit has drift.
What'd you say?
I never intend to pick it. My shit has drift.
What'd you
I
say, Snow?
accidentally ended up taking stressed out.
Difficulty is about to go from flaccid to hard.
Yeah.
It's better than the one that's just straight up ha 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 ha.
Why? I like that one.
I do and I don't. Oh god, ow, what?
I'm not even gonna bother with attack speed increases because not all the characters are gonna be able to use it.
I just got nailed by.
Because characters like the Bandit and Captain literally don't get a benefit from it. Because they can't,
Okay,
can't increase their attack speed.
You're not telling me what to do.
I'm not telling you, I said I'm not grabbing them.
You can do whatever the fuck you want.
I got nailed by a bunch of guys with miniguns, so.
You're a big, strong woman. You can do whatever the hell you want. Like, you don't want
Speaking of the guys with miniguns.
Yeah.
Ow.
They're alive because I'm not.
That is like the only use of the fucking taser at the Captain is getting enemies to hold still long enough to get the satellite laser to shoot them. Their satellite fucking fly drop.
It'd be funny if that fell right off the edge of the map.
No. Does anyone not have an equipment item yet?
I do. So
I got mine.
Skill have his, I can barely hear him.
He's dead.
He's
I'm
dead.
dead.
Well. Ow, fucking bugs. Massive fucking lag spike. And I died because of the lag spike. That's great. Thanks, game.
You're welcome. I hear minigunners. And I see both dropping.
Why the hell is us having 4 players cause this game to all of a sudden shit itself?
I have no fucking idea.
It's one thing when I lagged around, but whenever I fucking straight up get such a massive lag spike, there's enough time for several enemies to go bullshit.
Oh yeah, it's the best when it goes from there's nothing around you to I just got swarmed by 9 guys. And Grim fell through the world. That was
Why the fuck? I'm fine.
Are you?
No, you seem to be dead.
Mm-hmm.
You sound
I don't
living.
know. I don't know what got me. I saw the rat, but I didn't see much else. I'm pissed.
Well, that remains finish the mission.
Also, a little advice that no one really wants. Really good items for being able to get death sooner rather than later is the roll of pennies. Anytime you damage something, you get coins.
I keep seeing Grim fall through the world.
That just happens.
Yep.
I know it just happens, but that doesn't make it bother me any less.
Here we go.
Grim gets to enjoy not fucking lagging because he's the host. Have fun with that. I hope you get killed.
That's why it's there for.
There's 4 because there's 4 of us. Being dead, you still get your items spawned. Just means I get them.
The bosses.
There are only
Looks
2
like
bosses.
there were 4 beetle queens.
Nothing like dying several times due to lag. One dude basically hold your hostage because they refuse to die. Then it becomes that meme of why won't you die?
Monkey literally too angry to die. Blam, 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 blam.
Or damage him.
I don't know, but I just needed to avoid those guys. Okay, heal.
Why don't you test it? Should be fine. Also, heads up, I looked into it. It lists on some of the worst fucking pickup items, which is really sad because I fucking like nothing of it. The leech seed is really fucking bad. You would think it would heal a lot, but it does not.
It's kept me alive enough.
Dinosaur!
I'm the engineer now.
Oh, I want to die.
And Revan's loader. And you're the bandit, so one of my favorite characters.
Revan wants to die, and I already did.
You're not dead on mine.
I thought you were serious.
Not in the game.
Oh, we're talking about video games, sir.
Video goons.
Oh my god.
Well,
I wanna be a huntress again.
Yumi, it looks like you have a problem over there.
I can't do anything about these spray that my shurikens proc.
Spit at them!
I'm doing that too.
Spit on everything!
I'm working on it.
Mine spit in my mouth, that better?
No.
Not on recording, it's not.
Earlier.
I want everyone to be involved.
Wait, no!
You.
I don't want this.
Too bad you're involved.
I'm nervous with an audience.
You are part of everyone.
We're gonna
You
do
are
a trick shot. I'm gonna lay it like at the bottom of something, and then I'm gonna have them like lift you over like the whatever like hole I'm over, and then they'll both like dangle you over, and you can spit in my mouth, and they'll be like a report for you.
This sounds extremely stupid.
That's why I want to do it.
And I'm not being lifted, I'm good.
They're gonna just hold you so you don't fall.
Why do I keep getting— oh my god, I hate this.
God. Fucking loader looks so damn retarded whenever he's sprinting with high speed.
He's
He
trying his
is
best.
running with retarded murderous intent.
Surprise!
I'm just be screaming.
some fries, mother.
This is why no one likes you.
So you want to stay as the character you're currently playing as?
Yeah, actually.
You kept saying you wanted to be her again.
That and like, no. Dinosaur. I was just upset because they're manta.
Well, I know Revan doesn't want to stay as who he's playing as.
Well, that's too damn bad.
Can we not do random fucking characters?
I can't turn it off while we're actively playing.
We gotta die first.
Yeah.
Give it a minute.
And
Items are out, everyone.
No one likes me taking all the loot.
For once, everyone's still alive so they can actually get something.
Yeah,
we didn't
bro.
die.
I did yet.
Maybe can you even use full dive so I can take the shit?
What?
What?
Skill dies first, and then I die. Once he dies, I'll die.
How about all three of you die and I take all the loot? Very
No.
good. It's flawless. Immaculate.
Where is anything?
Why is your health red?
It just works.
Ow.
So how many artifacts do you have?
I have no idea.
Not immediately with the area, please.
Oh god! Fuck!
Don't use it.
I almost fell off
You wouldn't have died until you would have been fine.
I didn't want to.
Falling is not lethal.
I know, but I didn't want to fall.
Twice.
Oh. Oh yeah. Okay.
Adequate meat shield.
I'm gonna pick up some fucking
Thank you,
focus
Yugi. You are an
crystals. I feel
adequate
like
meat shield.
golf can't becoming a melee character. I mean, well, at least get focus crystals, bro. At least get some.
Yeah, but when we transport, you might not be melee.
Wait a minute.
They're still useful. The bandit's insanely good with honestly. Class is good with it. It's just some decent damage bonus on the off chance you have to be near something. I'm not gonna purpose ground already get like 100 of them. Alright, I think I'm good. If anyone wants to check and see if there's anything they can buy, there's the scan. Do with it what you will.
Whatever I'm doing, skills watching. He didn't say no.
I wasn't listening, honestly.
Just blindly say yes, it works.
No.
That's a real gribble of an idea right there.
All I'm saying is, whatever I do, you're watching.
I'm ready whenever y'all are.
What the fuck does that mean? I'm ready too. Oh god.
Let's get the fuck out of here.
Balls.
Even the dog has had enough of this shit. He just left. He doesn't know what's going on, but he's not a fan.
Okay, you mean Skiller Bandit, Revan's the Mercenary, and I'm starting guy. I can't remember what he
What
is.
the fuck is the... Okay. What?
Oh hey Skiller, had you kept the battery, you could have gotten that character.
Great. Too bad I died horribly.
Fucking shotgun? What am I doing? Ah!
With a
It's a
shotgun,
shotgun.
L1 makes him go invisible. If you knife someone while invisible, it does more damage, which is what your L2 is. You also always do bonus damage from behind.
Think they're
Okay.
from Borderlands.
You're like Loki. but more of
R1
a-
is you
I
fire
didn't
your
play him.
revolver. The revolver does crap ton of damage, and if you get a kill with it, it instantly recharges.
It recharges all of your cooldowns.
Here's Rex, if anyone has a battery.
Mm.
It'd be cool if the equipment thing could drop the battery.
It would be cool, but unfortunately, it's not real life.
Bandit is your generic espionage, stabbed him in the ass character.
Fair enough. I hate this.
You just got here. Oh yeah, Skill, this is one of the DLC things, this is the Void. Don't go in it. You gotta kill Void enemies to get rid of it in their Void chests.
I died. I am not good with Bandit.
Man, it's really easy to play though.
I personally can't gel with it at all. Not fast enough for me.
He shoots as fast as you pull the trigger.
Oh really? That's why? No, I want to hold down the button.
Yeah, he's one of the ones that I said that does not benefit from the speed items.
Yeah, I don't really want to do that. I'm good. Those lizard people are special.
Like a special,
Wait,
like a
why
birthday.
is Skill dead too?
Because I got mobbed by a bunch of imps.
This is the natural order of things.
No, you died
He
first.
dies, I die. Yeah. Wait, what?
You died
You died
first.
first.
Damn it, I messed it up.
Hey, Skill, are you watching me? Do you see this big crab fucker?
Yeah, I see the big
Never,
crap.
ever kill it point blank.
Does it blow up?
It black holes.
Oh, that's even better.
No matter how powerful you are, how much HP you have, if you're caught in the black center of the black hole, it annihilates you.
I've
Wait,
literally
wait,
seen
wait,
it
just
survive
take
with
credit.
HP, but it still killed me.
When I was
There you
playing
go.
Captain, gave myself insane fucking regen and had over fucking 3,000 HP because I went for the fucking 100 max HP each item. As long as you're holding it and shit, it still one-tapped me. Which is convenient because I wanted to die. Less convenient if you don't want to die.
Time to get the corrupt teddy bear.
Holy crap.
Oh yeah, the DLC also adds corrupted items that invert how certain items work. And it removes the original ones and replaces them with the new ones. Like the corrupted teddy bear, instead of giving you a chance to avoid damage, just gives you one blank shield that recharges over time that negates one hit, no matter what it is.
Hmm.
Like the corrupted ukulele instead shoots black holes at things. The corrupted daggers, instead of causing bleed, knock things around and knock them over and knock them out and shit like that. Oh yeah, later this year there's supposed to be new DLC for this as well.
Very nice.
Also, the DLC added 2 characters. One of them I don't have yet because it adds a new final boss, but and beating it's a pain in the ass. But the other one is called the Railgunner, who's a sniper. Does an absolute assload of damage if you hit the weak points it highlights.
Ah, very good.
I wish these things would leave me alone.
A little sad the ability is shared. Be nice if I could just pour all the fucking items. Oh, I touched the map. Good thing I managed to fucking stop myself midway through and phase myself out of a wall. Otherwise, that would have fucking insta-killed me. I'm on a very long fall too, and that.
Why are you walking on nothing?
I was jumping.
Looks like you're walking through the world.
The game's likely just not actually rendering where you are. Seems like a common fucking issue.
I can't let me see where the teleporter is even with that thing active.
In a second, I'll activate it again and look myself.
So apparently Pal World is a really good game so far. From what I'm hearing.
God, even you're just destroying
He's not
his will
playing
for
it. I'm not even saying that it cannot be good, but it's not like a good idea. It's a stupid fucking idea and it didn't look good. I don't get why people thought it looked good. It didn't look good. The trailers showed nothing but just ripped off assets that don't mesh well together and a dumb idea. The gameplay itself could be fine for all I care, but I don't know why people were excited about it when the only things these developers had ever made before were absolutely awful asset flips. They literally, one of their games literally stole Aloy from fucking Horizon Zero Dawn and made that their protagonist in a fucking a very obvious Breath of the Wild ripoff.
Okay, I totally see the issue now. If you look at my screen, you're running into the void.
I'm not, but okay.
There's the portal.
And so is Revan.
Yep.
Oh, there it is, finally.
If this was already established, I am sorry, my fan is not great.
Well, maybe you shouldn't have died. Did you ever think about that?
No.
Nothing like the snap of my leg cracking.
Fear not. I'm sure everything is fine.
I don't think it is.
That's what they told me about being alive.
But I will keep telling people about being alive.
Also, oddly, the
After when I was
fireworks are not that terrible.
No, I've
If you get
noticed
enough
it.
of them, they actually rip ass.
The only problem with them is you can't activate them at will, which is why it's still not the best thing to go for, but they're not bad.
They're situational.
A magma worm and the king imp. Oh, 2 magma worms.
But yeah, I'm pretty sure Power World killed Direct Parents at some point.
No, I just don't understand why people acted like it looked good. When it absolutely did not. I don't care if people play it, that really doesn't matter. That does not make it a good idea. It just means it happened to work. Someone got kicked. Or left. Oh, Jimmy.
I'm
Great.
done.